god, I got powder on my lens. Oh, this sucks. Okay, let's just hold this here because I don't want to attach you to my tripod. Life update. I'm going to movie well with Jodie today. I'm not going to vlog it because I don't want to lose my camera or break it or anything because I don't have insurance. Not the point though. I did my makeup today. I think it's alright. I don't think it's that great on camera. What is that? I think my eyebrows look nice. Let's go. Psych, not taking you with me. Meet my hand. Bye.
Hey, what's up, Doc? Oh my god. Something doesn't seem right, and I don't think it's just my attitude towards people or whether it's just today because it was packed. Oh my god, can my lights not? Can you not? No. Dream of beautiful nightmare. Right now I'm kind of trying to figure this out because my lights are really annoying me. So I've got this going on just for today because I don't know what I'm supposed to film today since I technically have no content. But I need a video for next week, which will be posted this week, but you won't know that I have already filmed this last week. Sure. Oh my god. It's working. Sippy, sippy. Wrong brand. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna re-straighten my hair. Then I'm gonna redo my makeup because the girl feels like it. Because I didn't want to be too extra today and I wanted to get the color of like the blue from my Space Jam shirt. That was a close-up we did not need. You're welcome. Look at this eyebrow. This eyebrow's fine. I may or may not have put nair on my face. Don't hate, congratulate. End of story. Oh my god. My straightener is still on. That's not good. That's a fire hazard. I'm thinking. You talking to me? After I do my foundation. But I don't think I'm going to redo it. I think I'm just going to leave the base and redo this belt. And it's like actual, oh that's my mouth. So she also bought me this. Illuminati confirmed. Confirmed? Oh, I just got this shivers. It's got the biggest shivers, wow. Look at that. Look at short story time. My work told me to put my hair up the other day. Do you know what I said? Okay, because I need money. Also, I feel like I'm just gonna post this part on my Instagram. Ow. I'm just gonna post this on my Instagram so that I have like clickbait. Because your girl needs clickbait, not just like Q&A with me and myself and I. No. And I'm back. I don't even know how I filmed that, but yeah, so I'm back. I really think that I'm gonna do a Space Jam inspired makeup look because Space Jam is one of the best movies. My sister's my Morphe 35B palette. It's a piece of hair on my face. There is a pimple right here too. Owie. Oh god. The brush has been spotted. This is just a concealer brush. No, concealer brush by I think it's Models Prefer. It's actually pretty good. My god. There is a piece of glitter in. Don't look at me. Oh wait, there it is. You can see it right there. Hopefully I can put a circle on it. Oh my god. Why are you in my concealer? Let's just go underneath the brow. There's already highlight there. Oh, that's a freaking mistake. Man. And under the eyes. I don't know if I should. What's up, kids? So right now I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette, and I think what color matches me best. Ooh. Oh god, I can't even get it up further. Okay, that's what she said. Blue on my eye. I'm so bad at taking off makeup. Okay, gonna go in with. Oh, that's the brush I was looking for. Let's go in with this dark-ish purple color. It's gonna mess it up. Okay, there I am. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. I don't know. I think we're just gonna leave it like this because the camera's really aggravating me right now. Bitch. Word of advice, I'm gonna be cutting my crease with not concealer but foundation. Oh, it's I thought it said inflammation. It's the Infallible Pro Glow 24-hour foundation that isn't really 24 hours, I guess. So that's all you need to see is my eye. Let's just brush it on there, and now we're gonna do the magic look up, which is literally Just take some nice deep breaths, or slow breath. Slow breath is the way to go. I'm gonna have to go to dinner in a sec. And I'm back, and I fixed it. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, well, I tried to fix it. Okay. Oh no! I touched something. Oh phew, we're good, we're good, we're good, we good. Oh wow, that's completely different to what I would have done, purple. Oh wow, look at that. I'm really sorry to everyone who has, I'm really sorry to everyone who has like, damn it. I'm really sorry to everyone who has their brightness up on full, because I would turn it down if I were you. I don't really know how this video is going to turn out till I'm editing, so do it. Okay. When people say you can't draw, just show them your makeup skills. It'll make up for it. Makeup. It's mascara. Psych. Fix yourself. Okay, well that's one eye. I'm not going to show you the other eye because I'm lazy. So. And I'm back with eyeliner. I may or may not have messed up this side. It's normal. This side is always better. I also may have broken my eyeliner. So you girls gonna have to go buy new makeup. But what's good is, see this crack? I tried to open it up and the whole, like, this part fell off. So we love a sneaky sister. Honestly, this. That's trash. I'm sorry. I'm white trash. Okay, so I'm gonna add lashes now. I'm using the worst eyelash glue you can find in Australia. I mean, the best eyelash glue you can find in Australia without online shipping and just in store. Duo Lash Glue, also known as Please Get Off My Eyeballs or I Will Rip Your Face Off. These lashes, I don't remember the brand they are. And boy style? Paid more. Sorry. I accidentally threw out a pair because I used them on someone else. This is eyelash glue, don't ask. I gave them to someone else. These are the pair that I'm using right now. I don't know. I think I may have used these ones already, but I haven't used these. So I think I'm going to use these ones today. Because the other God, or Jesus, or whoever's listening. Oh my God. My face feels crunchy and I don't know why. That makes no sense to you, but I need my... Now clamp them together a little bit while it dries. Yes. We are the champions, my friend. Oh. I just threw that into my bin and it didn't go in. Just thought y'all should know that. But yeah, so I think we are almost done. I have no clue what... Oh, no we're not. I need to add a new highlighter. Okay, there's that. Booty blender. Well, we're going to use this one from Kmart. Because Kmart selling the goods. My face is going to go red a little bit. Called Authentic from the Tarte palette. I forgot what it is called. It just says Tarte. So we're just going to guess it's called Tarte. 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 Because good measure. And let's put a little bit on the eyebrows. And now I'm going to go in with my little brush over here. It's not the highlight brush that I was using before. But she'll be right. And I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. Wow, this took way too long to film. And I think, firstly, because my lips are chapped, I'm just going to add some of this Born Lippy from the Body Shop. Oh, I missed my lip. Oh, God. Oh, that's nice. Oh, man, that smells good. Why is that so much easier to line? What the hell? Oh, God. Finally, for finishing touches, I'm just going to add this Sports Girl lip gloss with iridescent blue glitters in it. I think that this look is done. So we're going to grab our setting spray called Insta Fit and Go by Rimmel. Oh, my eyes watering. Okay, cue the mandatory narcissistic whatever. Oh God, go!